So I realized something. I've now been shooting lifestyle photography for over 6 years now. From my successes and many failures doing this, I realized that over these years, I've accumulated a treasure trove of knowledge that I wanted to share with you guys. Shooting lifestyle photography is by far my favorite, and dialing this in as a skill specifically has led me to work with huge companies like Hydro Flask, Fujifilm, Backcountry, Smith, and many more. And because this is my favorite and the area I have the most experience in, I have so much knowledge to share. With that said, I thought I'd break this all up into multiple videos, and I figured I'd try to keep this up as an ongoing series that I continually build off of. So if this interests you in any way, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on this series. Like always, videos like these will be a ton of work, so I really appreciate your likes and comments and just your general support. I appreciate you being here. So with this introduction out of the way, welcome to part 1. I'll kick off this series with my lifestyle photo shoot checklist. So I wanted to give you guys a rundown of all of the shots that I'm typically looking for a lifestyle shoot like this. I do have a completely different process for fashion and clothing, so comment down below if that's something you'd like to see. First, I'll be looking for shots of the box or the unboxing experience. Typically, the unboxing experience is very thought through. For some companies, the unboxing experience is even considered a part of the value of the actual product. The next type of shots I'll look for are a flat lay, which can be standalone shots of the product, and this is the opportunity to show if there's any accessories or add-ons that come in the box. Next, I'll look for shots that show the product in use. These might not be as fun, but this is where you can show the logistical steps of the product. This is where you can show kind of a tutorial or a step-by-step of how to use it and to show any extra features that it may have. The next and largest category will be lifestyle. What sets apart lifestyle from just a product against a white background is that this is where we can describe to the viewer who a typical customer of the product would look like. This is where the viewer will imagine him or herself in their shoes using it. And a bonus tip for this section is to show hands using the product so that you can show an accurate representation of scale. And the last section of shots that I'm looking for are details. This is where you collect your ornament shots. This is where you can get those very sharp, extreme close-ups, basically eye candy. This is where you can show stuff like logos or abstract shots and show the various textures of the product. But this last section is kind of a catch-all for anything else that might be missed. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this video brought you value, a like would be much appreciated. Comment down below if there are things that you would like to learn. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.